Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. I was thinking of doing this off screen, but why wouldn't I share my frustration with you guys? If you're watching this channel, again, it's your damn fault. Nobody's forcing you. Jokes aside, don't leave, please. Need you. The where we left off in the last episode was the electronics. That would be electronics level 2, I think it's called. I'm just gonna go and double check the proper name for this. It's called it's PC boards. It's PC boards. I mean, like, yes, we're gonna. Hopefully we're gonna be building both of those things today. But these PC boards are gonna be needed for the electronics number 2, which we need for the next level of research, next level of expansion, next level of everything. So let's get cracking and let's see what we can do with this. I'm just gonna go and have a sneak peek in the tech tree and just see where exactly. Whoa! Nuclear! Love it. Where's the next level of smelting? We need next level smelting. I do not see it. Yay! The sugar. We have cookies for some reason, recipes for cookies, but we don't have sugar. That's an interesting one. Okay, whatever. Next level smelting. Next smelting. Here we go. Arc furnace 2, it's all the way here. That's not that close, so this will take a while. Also CO2 recycling. Okay, diesel locomotive, gas turbine locomotive, really? Oh, it's natural gas. I was like, is that the pressure or something? Hydrogen locomotives. These are big ones. Yeah, sure, whatever. For sure. Okay, so I don't see anything too interesting here in the next steps that we need to do. We do have luxury goods. I was thinking of doing some of this stuff off screen, but I will skip it for now. So we can focus on the PC boards and the PCBs and the electronics number 2. These are the two things that I want to resolve in this episode, and I think we're gonna have to dig deep into this one. Now, this is more or less, a lot of this is cleaned. I will just redirect some of the vehicles from here. I'm actually done with this, please. So what you're gonna do when they come for you, bad boys. I wanted them to go here and do something like this. I think this would be it. Why is this white piece here? Okay, whatever. So what I want to do here is just start clearing more space. I'm not sure how much space I'm gonna need, but what I want, I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. Oh, okay, that's not feng shui. Oh, it is in. Wait, what? What is overlapping here? This one is covering all of that. What the hell is this? Ah, that's a sand one here. Sand people. Let's do it like this. Actually, why am I doing that? Let's just do it this way. We don't need. There's no need for this sand excavation all the way throughout the whole beach. We need to level it here first before we do anything else. Anyway. For some reason, I'm surprised that we're consuming so much gravel. Like I would say that it is in concrete production, which is in construction production and this kind of stuff. So it's very whoa. Oh yeah, okay, so this is still a thing, low power. So what do I do with this then? Not connected, this is connected. So do I downgrade it then? And then I upgrade it? Well, how do I... It's not working because I pressed a button for only work when it's low power. I don't remember where this button is now. You know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna be demolishing you, and you can go to hell. There is a big project I'm gonna be doing soon enough. Soon. Let's see if we rebuild this. Will it behave badly? It shouldn't, I guess. what is happening here, we are underproducing the coal because we are digging through the bad stuff now. So we have a lower supply of coal. What does it mean, bad stuff? It's I'm building a ramp to get all the coal, all the goodies, because I want to get on a proper depth as soon as possible, so we can just continue grabbing the good stuff, the goodies. That's the plan. And now seems like this is working again. I have no idea where this was, the button. It's not here anymore. I don't see it. Maybe, I don't know. I have no idea where this is. Like power. Oh, here. Oh, my bad. Okay, sure. Is that everybody has that? Okay, sure. Okay, I fixed it, and I think I found where it is. Okay, coal should be fixed now. They're gonna be tapping into these strategic reserves, which I want them to do. All of this should be refilled shortly. I have some coffee left in my thermos, actually. Came back from the gym, so funny how life flies, how much more stuff you can do when you're unemployed. But yeah, ammonia is low, which we should have kind of, let's say, mitigated this. I'm just gonna see the statistics. Yeah, there we are producing more than consuming, so I'm perfectly happy with this. This one is gonna stay paused for a while. Okay, so PCBs. We need the PCBs, and we need further development regarding the copper industries. I was hoping to get all of this moved away from here, but doesn't look like it's gonna allow us. So what I'm gonna have to do is some mental gymnastics regarding supply here. Luckily, all these supplies of sand and scrap copper, we can just put it in the left and to go left and right to split it equally in other directions. But what we will need is a plan for more production of copper. As you can see here, this is our current copper production, and PC boards will require more copper. So this is where we're gonna stop. This is start. This is copper. This is where copper is being supplied, and let's see what our PC boards require for supplies. Now I have to just bear in mind that this is not going to work out for us. Let me just let's do this. Pause. I need to. Oh, seriously? Okay, just take the. Is he here? There you go. He's here. Oh boy, that was supposed to be stopped as well. I wanted to. What we did in the last episode, if you didn't watch it, we had to do the. The new way of setting things up, at least in my opinion, could be better. I don't know, we'll see. It does look uglier, to be honest, so yeah, I don't know. So we need this F, so it negates the blockage of the entrances here, and ta-da! This can go, and this can be unpaused and unpaused here. There we go. Finally, this is all unpaused now, so they can continue constructing. So why did I do all of this nonsense here? Because parallel to this, I think I'm gonna have to do another level of PC, another level of this. First, I'm gonna pause, make space here for another one of these. Now, bear in mind that we need the copper for the next level development, and that's going to be next level development. Is that a proper thing to say? We need PC boards, so I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna leave even one more space, so I'm gonna start with PC boards over here. They will require, I'm gonna select the recipe. I don't know how many of these, I don't know, somehow 36 is in my head. I have no idea where from, so I'm gonna probably just plan for at least 3 of these factories. Obviously, one is gonna be more than enough. So, what we need to deliver here is copper to all 3 of these. So I will just connect copper here to the last one. It can be in this first entrance like this. God damn it. Okay, my bad. Sorry for the poopy mouth, poop mouth, something. There we go. PC boards need to be delivered here. Okay, so we have glass and plastics that need to be delivered, and this is where these conveyor belts come into place. And if I'm gonna place them here because they're using the same materials, I think this is as good a place as any to start. So we need glass and we need plastics. So I'm gonna try to deliver these manually. So that would be here, glass and plastics. So here we can select the glass, deliver it to 400. Notification, notify if below 50%. There we go. This, do we have enough unity? Ish. Oh, we have a flu or something, moderate flu. Losing a little bit of population, but hey ho. But vehicles are fine. We don't have a lot of unity, so I'm just gonna unpause this. This is glass and this is plastic. So PPP plastic, load it to 400. Notification, notify me if under 50%, and unpause this as well. These are two things that we're gonna have to supply to this setup here. I'm just trying to make this as a one kind of unified factory. If it's gonna work, I don't know. We'll see. But looks like a new road is naturally being formed over here. By the way, this water eventually is going to be moved parallel to this pipe. One of these pipes is going to be for pollution collection, CO2 collection, and water collection. These are the three things that I usually ship around the island through pipes. Pipes are the best way of shipping stuff because once you pay them, that's it. Nothing else needs to be done. I don't know. They do have maintenance, but everything does. They do not consume electricity. So pipes are the best way to go, in my opinion. Anyway, that's it. These things need to be delivered, and we need to deliver them to the flat lift. We have one, that's fine, and then here 1, 2, that's fine. Okay, and now let's see if we can build these. Oh, right. Let's do it here. Conveyor belts, back to conveyor belts. We have flat lifts. Let's see. Click E shift. Okay. Oh, perfect. Oh, they remember this as well. Okay, so oh, no. No, I was not supposed to copy you. We need flat lift. F. Click. 1. Oh, that's definitely wrong. Shift, click, and click. There we go. So these are the things that need to be delivered here. Now we're gonna have a lack of plastics, lack of this, lack of that, which is understandable. We have the first one over here, I think. That would be the best way to start. All the way to... There we go. And then the next one. The next one. Come on, man. There we go. And all the way in the end. There we go. That's it. So PC boards can finally be made. We can do this way. Glass is here. What's with the plastics is being delivered. So why is it, well, plastics is only here? I don't understand why they didn't deliver it earlier. Was it that busy? I don't know. Okay, so plastics need to be delivered. Let's start consuming. I think this will go a long way in building this. Okay, so we have deliver this construction parts. Yeah, okay, that's again one of those notifications. Notify if under 50%. There we go. Over 50% is fine. We're gonna get a lot of these yellow ones because we need conveyor belts and whatnot. Okay, so this should start producing our PC boards, but that's just the first step. Next step will be the electronics. So we need to supply electronics and silicon poly. So this is the next level supply, and this is where we're gonna have to deal with these two things, but I will have to go and think about. By the way, this excavation here is still happening. Yes, absolutely yes. My if I remember correctly, I needed at least as much copper as I needed iron. So steel. So setup is gonna be like that. And plus, there's another thing that we're gonna have much more production. Much more structures need to be built. Much more buildings need to be built for the copper infrastructure. So this is going to be like at least like 5 more, as far as I remember. We'll see. Hopefully we're going to deplete this copper here. I think that's going to start speeding up the copper consumption, but again, something to Oolykee to, or people with OCD or OC Oolykee to deal with. That would be to get rid of this and this, and to get rid of some of these little bits and pieces of green stuff on the walls that I want removed, because eventually it can, you know, once you put gravel over that and soil, it's gonna be, you missed a spot there. Even though it doesn't show as a spot there, it might show later. It's a bug in a game or something, but it can be annoying. Okay, that being said, how is our forest doing? They are reforesting, but I'm gonna tell you here one thing. Who is reforesting this? I have no idea. I'm just thinking, like, if we are getting enough wood here. We have 1 vehicle. How many vehicles? No, we have 2. I should probably... No, I'm not gonna switch now for the... Anyway, that's fine. Plastics need to be made. This is gonna be consuming stuff. You can see here that we are putting pollution out in the atmosphere as well. This is the 36 plastics here. We're using plastics for the snacks, but we're also using plastics for the bagging, obviously packaging, but also now for these PC boards. Okay, so we have PC boards and we have electronics number 1. Now we're gonna have to do the electronics number 2. Which is gonna require more of the same, more of this. Okay, so what is next step? Next step is we're gonna have to connect the electronics, as previously mentioned, these ones here, and PC boards into a next recipe. That would be silicon poly, these 2 into the next level electronics. So let's see if we can do that. Now, if by any chance I need to build more of these, I will do so. But I'm looking at this now. We will continue consuming these, fear not, for a very, very long time. These, these electronics number 1 or electronics, we will consume a lot of those just because they are required for the maintenance, at least, and also construction material, for everything. Forever. We're gonna need a lot. Yes, a lot of it is gonna be diverse. Like, for example, we're gonna lower maintenance, level 1 maintenance, we're gonna have a level 2 maintenance, all that good stuff. That's gonna be rebalanced, but we will need a lot of this as soon as possible. Anyway, ammonia, hydrogen, glass, plastics is fine. Hydrogen is low here. I need to go and see why is this so. I don't like that. I don't like that we are... yeah, there's nothing being recycled here. Oh, whoa. Corn and meat. Oh, waiting for products. Oh, what's wrong with... right. So let's remove this. We were missing... there's no queue. There's no problem. It's just we're missing some stuff to recycle here. That's fine. Continuing on, we need to be aware of the hydrogen problem. We might have to increase hydrogen production. I will stop converting vehicles into hydrogen vehicles, definitely, but we still might have to address this. But by the way, this is the majority of our hydrogen comes from here, and this is from recycled gas, and that means it's just like offshoot of partial whatever. The only thing I'm worried here is that this here is a big pipe, and I don't like that. I think I'm gonna degrade this pipe because I want most of this gas to go in this direction. This is consuming 50. They are sending a lot of gas to be converted into diesel, but I wanted them to do less that. I want more gas going in this. Do I have... yeah, I still have priority, but this can only consume 48, 24, 24. So, yeah, anyway. So that's concerned there. Okay, quit stalling. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. So we need to build an overpass here. I think it's gonna have to be how far here I'm gonna put it. We can do it initially. Like I'm thinking about this here. Okay, so this needs to be connected to a factory. I think together we're gonna... I'm probably gonna be reshuffling this and changing, but I'm gonna put 5 distance here because I'm pretty sure this is gonna have to go elevated at one point. So I need to make sure that we have enough space for elevating stuff. That means it's actually 7, right? So 6, 7. So like this. Okay, so what am I talking about here is... I think this is okay. No. Cut this. I think this would be okay. We need to put this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. What am I talking about here? So first we're gonna have to have conveyor belt coming directly, at least in my opinion, directly from this factory into this factory. These PC boards are not used for anything else except this, by the way. As far as I remember. Yeah, nothing else but this. So this is just electronics level 2. So electronics level 2 are combination of this, and of course electronics, the new kid on the block, and that would be the silicon poly. So this one, and then we need to make sure that we are getting these guys here. Like this. Oh, no, don't like it. That's not ideal. Come on. Connect me here. Doesn't matter where it goes, you need to be flat here and less flat here. There we go. And then you need to go flat elevator or lift here, one up. We can... How are we doing with these? Let's unpause this just because this is going to be silicon poly, 400 out of 500, and notify me when under 50%. There we go, done. And then here we're gonna need another flat lift, like this, elevate 1, and that's it. So this is going to be... Boom, that's it. That's what we need here. And I will actually unpause all of this because vehicles seem to be free, just to stockpile on a little bit more Unity. So all of these stuff, please deliver on your own. Yeah, so we're gonna have overpass here, and factory starts here, and it's gonna go in this direction. They over this, and that's it. That's it. Copper can be circulated here. If we need to push this further, we can. The only thing, is there only thing? No, I think me leaving extra space here, it's gonna be perfectly fine. Low supply of silicon poly, yeah, that's fine. We need to make more of that. This one is gonna notify, notify if under 75%, I would say. No, the same problem is, no, 75% might be okay. I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, I have a very cold coffee, even though it's a thermos, so I'm gonna take that. Take your W's whenever you can. It's a free coffee that I didn't count on, so yeah. Wood production. This forest is starting to look decimated, if you don't mind me saying so. Currently it's this one. What if I increase it to this one that is technically supposed to give me the most wood? 693, so this one looks like it would be the one. Yeah, I'll put it like this. I know that they're gonna struggle a bit. Like, will they cut trees now? Oh, they will. Maybe they won't. They won't. They won't, because there's no trees that are this old that have this much wood. So they're gonna have to wait. According to this is 14-year-old trees, and here it's 19-year-old trees. So I'm assuming that they're gonna wait for whatever, 5 more years before starting to harvest this. Assembly has no recipe selected. That's a very big no-no. So excuse me. So let's do it this way. And technically I'm supposed to be connecting this one to a storage. Now, can Oolykee squeeze more stuff? No, he can't. He is out of squeeze space. I'm thinking because this is going to be this, we can do it maybe, baby. It should go here. Because, by the way, going further, this is gonna go even more into... It's gonna go into even more higher level electronics also. So, yeah. This is going to be electronics number 2, and let's go and set if it's under 75%, notify me so we can expand the production. That's it. That's about it. This is what I have nothing else to offer. One trick pony, one trick Oolykee. Right, okay, this is done for me. I'm done with this. We can, I believe we should, construction, this one, why? Ah, right, lab. Did we get the lab? We got the lab. Okay, so this is another thing that I was worried from before, and looks like the chickens came home to roost. I was supposed to deal with this. Let me see if it's possible to deal it with this setup that I have, or I'm gonna have to do something different with it. That's fine. I'm thinking maybe that speed with which we are planting trees and growing trees, that I might... What if I do it here? They should be consuming more saplings then, right? I mean, definitely, yeah, 150%. But we're still getting a lot of wood. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna see if this is gonna increase our wood production. No, it shouldn't. It shouldn't, because it's 0.0518, and this one is 0.076. It will be like 50% more wood per minute. It's just initial. But why is the longest one? Why is this one, the longest one, not the highest one when you wait for the tree to be fully grown? I have no idea. But technically this, apparently when the trees are, I'm assuming when the trees are fully grown to the level that they need to be, I have no idea. No idea. I'm gonna just leave it like this. Okay, wood, still a problem. We are not dependent on wood that much. This is just notification notifying us. Ooh, diesel being low. Yeah, these... Oh, right. That brings us to... Oh, research. Oh my god, there's 2 more things I need to do, but let's deal with the research first. The other... Well, you know what? The other thing is free, but... bridge. I'm building a bridge. I'm building a bridge to next coal mine. Let me see where the coal is located. The main island has a coal mine here, which I'm perfectly fine with. There's another coal mine there, but funnily enough, this coal over here on this island is more accessible to us than that coal over there. How is that possible? Because we just need to finish this bridge, and that's going to be it. And it's right there. So what I'm going to do here is actually finish the bridge. Does that make any sense? What else I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna be sending excavators to start working on this coal and produce electricity from this coal. So this is what I wanted to do. I will easily do this just by unpausing the construction of this bridge. I will deal with my demons as they escape. So I will just count how much is here. 900 rock for this one, and this one here requires a rock. No, it's not. What? You need rock? Wait a minute. Oh no, not rock, concrete. Okay. So this one requires almost 600 concrete slabs and almost 400 steel. So I will start building this. Now obviously some of these are very expensive, but it doesn't matter. We need to do it sooner or later, so might as well do it. And I'm really happy with the location of this bridge. I don't know if I could have built it any lower. I don't remember if vehicles can pass underneath this bridge. But all in all, I'm just fine with this. Looks like, yeah, I don't know, we could have gone lower. Probably would be a little bit cheaper, but I don't care. I don't care. This is my first bridge, and I'm gonna be proud of it. And it's not even equal. The left pillar is shorter than the right one, but I tried. I did my best. don't care anymore. So they can continue delivering these materials and build bridge bit by bit. This is what I wanted to say. I'm done saying it, so let's move on. Next up would be the research labs. Let's talk about research labs. So next level research labs would be under, is it here? Yeah. That would be, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? Oh, no, this is research lab needed for this. Okay. So for this, we need to produce the, yeah. Okay, this is perfect. No, so the existing research lab is fine. We will get new research lab. Oh, very, very soon, by the way. Oh, no, it's the same one. Oh, no, here we go, Research Lab 3, yeah, this is the one. But that's fine, we're gonna at least have access to this, we're gonna increase our power production, we have electric trains, we have some offices that generate Unity, so we can use, I think, Unity and other stuff. We're gonna talk about that. We have household appliances, we have solar power, which I might play with, but we'll see. Statue of maintenance. Maintenance required by... it is such a positive effect on our population that reduces your island's maintenance requirements by 4%. In order to get the bonus, the statue needs to be provided with fuel gas on continuous basis. However, if you don't maintain your statue, you will get negative effect. Oh my god. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, so we looks like for this level we need to produce 4 more electronics, which this guy here is doing ever so, I don't know, happily, I guess. And yeah, this can be our future. I mean, whoa, electricity. As soon as I started talking about this, there you go. Electricity straight away. Electricity gods hit. Yeah, so I think in a long term, short term, middle term, this is going to be very, 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 very much needed for us. And there we go. Okay, so this is now construction. Okay, so now we have the next level construction and we have next level maintenance. Okay, construction materials, I think this is going to be quite important. Here we go. Household appliances module is going to require first one of the first buildings that's going to require that. Maybe this one as well. Oh yeah, look at this one. Yeah, sure. Here we go. Start the research. We are starting the research. So we are finally consuming research again. That's going to put pressure on steel, that's going to put pressure on electricity, that's going to put pressure on everything, but this is where we are. I'm pretty sure the next stage for me is going to be the electricity, power generation. We will get some of these. These are power generators large. It doesn't tell us here what they consume. No, it does tell us. They consume 18 megawatts of power. And we get, here we go, this is turbine 1, 48 into 12, and currently turbine 1 is, oh no, it's the same. A lot of these power plants are going to be obsolete if we upgrade them, but we will need less materials to build them, but this is not excess power. Well, it looks like my bridge project or whatever I'm doing there might be a good way to go. And yeah, as far as I remember, even this cooling tower is large. It's just more water. These guys is 18 into 15. This could be something. 18 into 15. Yeah, this is 6 of those instead of 12. Yeah. So this is definitely it. So we can replace 6 of those with one bigger one, which is gonna give us more power. So all of this will stay, in my opinion. We can upgrade it to start consuming more maintenance, next level maintenance, but that's gonna bring some negativities, like we need to produce next level maintenance in order to continue Oh, you gonna play like that? Yeah, looks like the power is, I think, us constructing these new things and then putting this research under pressure. It's just fired up all our steel production, even though some of them are still paused. Do I want? Yeah, I mean, like, I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need this steel to build a bridge as well. So maybe I can investigate other ways of creating electricity. Currently we have, as far as from top of my head, we only have these two more times this. That would be 20 megawatts of diesel power, and then the only coal power is here. Can we do something more efficient? I think some of the stuff I should have done from before would be potentially create electricity out of this steam instead of water, out of these desalinators. I think that would be better, and this is what I did historically. So technically this wouldn't be a water generator but water consumer area. So that would definitely take care of some of the snakes of the pipes that are around here, but yeah, this is just a couple of thoughts that I have between my earlobes. Not big ones though. So it also we can potentially do either or. Like I don't know how this is gonna affect us. What's happening here? Let's see. Ammonia. Ammonia is important for food production. Is this? No, this is looking okay. Plastics here. This is just restocking. This is gonna disappear. Hydrogen, again. This is actually dropping quite decently. Not happy about that. And mine control tower. Yeah. By the way, we have less and less vehicles working in this area. By the way, our iron. Ooh, that's actually low. Seriously? So what's happening here? Ah, yeah. Oh, I read about this, by the way. So the problem we have here is that our iron ore is being just equally split between all these modules, and I think this is currently. I think I should get this train extended. I think I should build it. I should add more wagons to it. So how do I do this? Nope, nope, nope. Refuel, no. Replace this train. Is it? With... Do I have to really, like, scrap it? Like, the vehicle will be disassembled, reassembled in nearest depot. Nearest compatible, no. I'm just thinking if we can just send it to storage. Opens the train designer with this train design duplicated. I'm thinking of putting 12 wagons on this one just because I think it would be more efficient, but the solution to this would be to get more of these. And these guys are now in decorative phases of our iron mining. By the way, just so you know, you probably saw this. This is our iron ore deliveries that are going here, snaking through here, above this, below this, all the way here, and now they're going here. What the hell are you doing here? Oh dear God. Why are you doing this? Oh, I know why. Because for some reason this guy had this set up. That's stupid. Stop that. So we are getting a lot of iron. You know what? What I was trying to consider here is to have the... I was trying to consider to have the... Oh, okay, that's fine. Do it. There we go. So less. I was considering having less excavators here, but there's still a good chunk of iron here, and I think I'm gonna go for this. Let's do it this way. Yeah. Boom. Okay. So next level excavation will be here. We need to do something with this, but that's sand there as well, so I don't want to deal with this now. Can we go here? I have no idea. We still have some stuff here. There we go. That's it, and I think I should start with getting this gravel from below. These hillsides look fine. Okay, that's it. Coal, low supply. That should not be the case. Oh my God. What's happening here? Where did... Oh my God, this ate through my coal. Okay, panic, panic, panic. Let's start. We need to go for the good stuff. Oh god, that's gonna be painful. Well, luckily we caught it, I think, in time. Maybe, hopefully. It's not, there's no power issues at the moment, but there will be. We need to go for the good stuff, a lot of coal. This is a lot of mixed coal. I will go through the good coal first until we restock this, and I'm gonna play with this later. Ammonia, hydrogen. Hydrogen is being produced as much as it's being produced. These diesel generators are gonna run out. And did we build our first... Cool! I'm not gonna build rails now. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I probably have to tell them... Right-hand drive. Ooh, do I piss everybody off and put left-hand drive? Nah. I'm gonna do a normal one. There we go. Sure, for sure. How much do we have here? I think steel-wise, we have some steel, but I don't know if I should slow down the bridge construction. Well, I'm slowing down the bridge construction because of the power requirements. But we need the bridge to increase our power production. So it's very, very interesting. By the way, this are like, what is it? 68? No, what's our maximum? 68 megawatt power production is gonna drop by 20% once we run out of diesel. So by 20 megawatts, not 20%. That would be 35% or something. It's gonna drop as soon as we run out of diesel, and currently all the diesel is going here, by the way, is going in here, and it's not even full, so we are still consuming more diesel and then producing. So that brings me to potentially needing to enact emergencies, maybe, to produce the actual electricity instead of water over here and repipe everything. Let me just see the... Oh my god, that's a lot of water storage here. I don't like this. Yeah, okay. Producing electricity out of waste. Let's start with that. That shouldn't be too hard. We have the steam here. How about the maximum steam? 18. Okay, so that's a steam production. Where does the steam go? Steam goes into electricity. Electricity is one of these. This might expand, so... this might expand. I will build it in the middle, so, and I will leave space here for potentially another one. Oh yeah, well, let's plan another one. And then depleted steam and depleted steam. Okay, and then we need the flywheel. Flywheel goes in here, obviously not. Let's cut this and rotate it in this direction. Yeah, potentially we're gonna need it here. Right, and then flywheel, and then this is what's maximum production here. Oh, this is standard, so let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be electricity production here, and then this depleted steam needs to go somewhere. I'll deal with this. Okay, so the first steps would be how do I deal with the depleted steam? This would be 1818. All the pipes are fine to be single pipes. I'm pretty sure, as far as I remember, even my end game previously, this was way more than enough for us to produce this. So this is gonna block the passages there. Well, I don't need it here. This steam is passing through here as well. So if I go over here and connect it in this direction, I will have depleted steam from the other power production as well. Well, wait. I can then actually... Nah, that's gonna be so complicated. No, I need to separate the systems. I mean, like, they can be on the same line, but they literally need to be in separate. Because this one is giving me out a slow steam instead of higher one. So, and also this is gonna be 2 times 48. And what's 2 times 48? Wow! That's 4 of these. I mean, like, it's not a problem. Like, whoa, what the hell did I do here? It's not a problem. I can just put it on like parallel to this. The only reason why you should do this, like me, is the stupidest thing in the world. The reason is just better efficiency. Like, not better efficiency. It's like you literally having one flywheel instead of two. And that's it. That's the only benefit if you build it like this. Plus, these ones, 4 of these can spin 4 of these. So, yeah. So you can build it like this, but the only reason is to save on the flywheel. I am perfectly fine with this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing here now, this is definitely decided. So what we need to do is cut into pipes here. 1, 2. I'll go for 3 here. Oh wow, they're actually gonna remove everything. Fine. So we're gonna go for pipe balancer. I don't even know how much power this is gonna give us extra. It is planned for huge amounts of, well, you know, for maximum, but if that's gonna be the case, I'm not sure. So if I do it this way, I think I'm happy with this. Wait, no, absolutely not. That's not it. That needs to go elsewhere. Sure. We can do this one. We can do this one first. So let's say 1, 2. Okay, that's fine. There we go. So this steam is being resolved. Power consumption already dropped. That's nice. And then here, this needs to go in this direction. So this is, but this is going to be 48, but initially it's only 2, so I'm gonna treat it like 2, okay? I will connect this later, and then we have this one here that is supposed to go to these ones here. Do I want to mix them like this? I think a little bit of cleanliness would be fine. You might ask me why am I not using, like, for depleted steam, this one snaking it back? It's because of the security, safety. If they start working all the same, if they all start working at the same time, let's see this. Oh dear God, what the hell the dumbass did now? Oh my God. Mining designations, don't be cold, please. No, these guys are decorating or cleaning some space next to the copper editing area. Okay, I can deal with this quickly. Escape, and then please continue clearing. Oh, please do the flat. There we go. This is the farming area now. Right, going back to power production here, we have the steam, depleted steam, and what's happening in this? Waiting for products. Okay, which one I want to deal with first? It doesn't matter. We need to start building this and this and this. So this would be depleted steam. I can tell them to have a priority output here. And then this steam... Oh, did we get the big towers? No. How much depleted steam is 24? 24, that's 48, plus 24, that's a lot. I didn't want to build that many water towers. Currently we can't do anything with depleted steam, so... Oh, it's each. Oh my God, it's 6 towers. Well, I think I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Oopsie. This is actually... Ooh! Right, I need these inputs, outputs. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, are we getting any steam? Not really. Oh, we are. We are. Okay. So output is full. Okay, we need to build the Axle doesn't need to be really built. We can do this, and then we need to output steam. That's fine. And then water needs to come out. 12 times, it should be times 6 when it's done. But yeah, let's do it this way. Do we have... We have this. Yeah, we can get water in this direction. Where's my pipes? Pipes. Okay. Why is it blocking these? I don't know why it was blocking these. I wanted to connect it all the way to somewhere in this area, just so we have notifications when the overproduction of water happens. Here we go. This one is full of water. Is it connected here? Yes, it is. And build it. There we go. So we are using this depleted steam in production of this. This is absolute highest level. These priority and auto balancing. I don't know if this auto balance needs to work, but this is fine. Okay, let's set up the other power production here. So just make sure here that we have priority output of this steam going here and not in water production. The second one is going to be the same, so I'm going to be building this also. Excess steam comes in here. Build this, build it. Oh, we are running out of unity points. Oh, again flu? What's with everybody being sick all the time? How much does this cost? Oh, an arm and a leg. I knew it. Okay, let's unpause these. Because obviously Unity, yeah, this is why I was trying to build as much as possible with... do we speed this up? Not enough Unity, raw graphite, diesel. I might... Why is coal still a problem? Because you're not making enough of it. We are getting a lot of it, but... Am I doing a smart thing here? I think I am. This looks like it's clean, like pure coal. So I'm thinking that if I give them all of this to mine first... Yeah, whatever. Electronics, what? Low level... okay, do I put... Oh, that's a lot of requirement for power. That also tells me that some diesel generators went offline. No? Is it steam generators went offline? Oh, they go through this coal so fast. Oh, that's so bad. This cannot stop. Come on, guys. We need more coal. Did I make a mistake here by not having enough excavators? Let's see. No. Excavators or trucks. We have 8 trucks and 4 excavators over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see this? Where are my goddamn trucks? Not even kidding. Not even kidding. Where are they going? Refueling, maybe? 90% fuel. Maybe it's refueling. Sure, let's do this. Let's go for the fuel. Fuel station 2, what's the difference? Provides increased storage and refueling rate compared to previous. Refueling rate? What the hell is refueling rate? Okay, whatever. I'll just put one here. Darn it. Okay, 80%. Notify me if below 50%. There we go. That's it. Power is very bad. We need more electricity. So we are producing something here, are we? Not really. I have a feeling there's just enough steam here for barely to spin the generators. Okay, so we need to unpause these two, and we need to connect these two with pipes. Yeah. Okay, and then we need to get rid of this water. That would be with cooling towers. Oh, Jesus Christ, they're so expensive. I will have to unpause these as well, and this as well here. And then we need to build the pipe system, connecting it to the rest of the piping system here to get rid of this excess water now. So bad. This is so ugly, I have to say. I can do it this way. Okay, and unpause all of this. There we go. Okay, what is this? High pressure turbine needs output. Yeah, we're making it. This is also going to require conversion of energy. I think it can disappear, the energy. But also I might need to build these. Come on, get the electricity, water, construction parts. Yeah. I'm more or less done. I still need a couple of these bad boys, depending on how much we're gonna be producing here, but this is a setup. Yeah, I don't know if I should have built 2 of these. That could be an overkill. Fine, it's built now. I have no choice. So it's built now, so this is our waste to energy and CO2 scrubbing setup. All of it converted into one big power plant, which is producing power now. How much do we need here? 3 point something unity, which we don't have, so that means unpause. Because these generators are production priority number 1. Number 1. This electricity needs to be used straight away. Here we go. I think we're just losing steam here. That's why they're not spinning, because this is working seasonally, as we have stuff to consume. Yeah, that's it. Low supply of water. That's this one here. That's perfectly fine, because I need to redirect this water now back. This water needs to go in this direction as well. That would be all the way here. That means that our construction industries are gonna get water. Because here we have L. This is full. This is getting full. I don't want this full. I need this depleted. Output is full. Yeah, this needs to be depleted. All of this water needs to go. Oh, look at this pipe. Needs to be disassembled. I don't know how much power we're gonna get from this. I could have potentially calculated this. I mean, potentially. This is working at 30%. This is monthly productive 30%. Let's say 30%. So 30% of this steam would be 15%. Sorry, 50% of this, right? 50% of this, and that means 24. How much power we get from 24? 3 megawatts of mechanical and 2 megawatts of this power. So yeah, that would be how much we're getting. But you can see here that these are processing steam, but not so much. So yeah, I'm gonna finish these generators that I have put in place here, but obviously 2 of them don't need to be made, and I think I made too many of these that I didn't have to build like each one of these that could have been not built, because I don't think they're gonna be so, okay, how much are you working? 43%. Okay, this is a little bit more interesting. But these are having 18 steam. This is high steam. 18 of these, and we need 24 to run 1 generator, so it's half of this, which is similar. Look, it's a little bit of power, so instead of going to water, it's going to power now. Let me see. Yeah, these pipes looks like they are dry, and this is definitely dropping down, so I'm gonna be rotating these pipes to allow water to go into opposite direction, because looks like this is this is currently the balance, where the balance is all this water is being consumed by the settlement and is going down. How much is it? 75%. Yeah, that should be fine. Once we redirected all this water, there's like 150, 144 water that is being pushed back into the system. Some of it goes here. Chicken farms take like what, 20, 40, 36, plus this is 9, 45, and then like approximately 100 water comes here, minus I think 6 over here. 12, wow, 12, okay, that's 20, so 75 additional water comes into here. We get a lot of water from recycling. Whoa, that's gas. I was like, whoa, I thought sewage is filling, but no. So some of the water comes from recycling going back into the settlement, so this is not a problem, yeah. We have many other things that we need to resolve, but you can see here that diesel is being refilled. Our coal is seasonal, but it's still flowing. Both of our coal storages are empty, which is very sad. I just didn't keep up with excavation of coal, and this is my next step would be, this is why I'm building the bridge, because I want to, why am I not doing it here? I don't have a lot of seafront, because I need to pump the water out, and this, maybe I should have, you see that I have a problem here with getting all this coal out, even here, to supply this power plant. So yeah, I think this is going to be challenging. I think I will be, as soon as I research the next level construction. It's going to be power generation, definitely. So I'm going to go in this direction and probably improve these, well, power generation. But this is also temporary solution. I think the next coal power plants are definitely going to be necessary. At least I think so. Yeah. So yeah, that's the current goal of mine. I need to unpause some of these constructions, but that means that it's going to put pressure on the electricity grid, because we're going to need more steel production. So yeah, that's something I'm going to have to resolve on my own. Oh, well, look at the time. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have description of the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.